Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel, PC Error Fix. Many users reported the Discord loading screen gets stuck for an indefinite connecting loop and the application won't open. So in this video, I will show you how to fix Discord not connecting or being stuck on connecting screen problem. Here have a look at the solutions you need to try. Before starting with the detailed steps in this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also ring the bell to get notified when another video lands. Solution 1. Check the Discord server and your internet connection. In many cases, when the server is overloaded and under maintenance, it starts causing trouble when loading the Discord application. So here it is suggested to check the Discord server status to find out if the server is causing trouble at your end. If you won't find any problem related to the server, then check your internet connection is working properly. Unplug your modem or router and plug them back in after 2 to 3 minutes. Check your Wi-Fi connection is working properly, or else connect using the Ethernet connection and launch the Discord application to check if it loads properly now. Solution 2. Change the date and time settings of your computer. If the date and time settings on your Windows system are not set properly, then this may cause the problem. Go to the Start menu and click on the Settings. Now click on the Time and Language option and enable the Set Time Automatically option. Then launch Discord and check if the issue is resolved or not. Solution 3. Disable Proxy. Enabled proxy option on your system can stop Discord from connecting to the server and launching properly, so disable proxy on your Windows system. Go to the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Now click on the Network and Internet. Click on the Internet Properties option and then hit the Connection tab, and then make a tap on the LAN settings. Then under Proxy Server, click on Use a Proxy Server option to uncheck or disable it. Solution 4. Change DNS settings. Modifying the DNS settings may work for you to solve the problem. Press Windows +R to open the Run box. Now type ncpa cpl and press OK. Here right-click on the internet connection you are using and click on the Properties. Then double-click on the TCP IPv4. After that, click on the General tab. And then click on the Radio button next to use the following DNS server addresses option. In the preferred DNS server choice, enter the worth 8.8.8.8. And in the alternate DNS server, enter 8.8.4.4. Presently press OK. Solution 5. Add Discord as an exception for firewalls. Windows Firewall or any other third-party antivirus program installed on your system can stop the Discord application from launching properly. So add Discord as an exception in the Windows Firewall. Go to the Start menu and search for Control Panel. In Control Panel, click on the System and Security. Click on the Windows Defender Firewall. Then select the Allow an app through the Windows Firewall. Click on the Change Settings option available at the top right. Now from the list select Discord and check both the public and private box. And then click OK to apply the changes. For third-party antivirus, launch the antivirus. Now click on the Settings option and click on the Add Exception. And from the list, select Discord and press OK. So, these are fixes that work for you to fix Discord not connected properly. Let me know in the comment section if the fixes directed work for you. Also, do like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.